I'm Mark Allen for Expert Village. We're outside now. We're going to grill the eggplant. The first thing to do is to start your grill and get it to a medium heat. We've just lit the grill. We're going to let it sit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Let it get hot, and then we're going to open it up and take a little bit of cooking spray. Be very careful and spray the grill. You should probably spray it before you light the grill, but I always forget to. Be very careful. And then let it sit there for another minute or so. It'll cook away, but it'll prevent the eggplant with the olive oil, the balsamic vinegar, and the basil. All right, I think we can open this up. And we're going to take the, be careful, don't spill. Take the eggplant and put it on the grill crossways. What that does is it's going to give us nice marks all over the grill, on the eggplant. Eggplant cooks pretty quickly, just a few minutes. Now, this marinade is our dressing, so we're going to save it.